Hey yo, what is up people? This is TechSav here and I want to apologize to you guys in this video since I haven't uploaded any video on this channel for a long time. It's because I'm having my exams right now guys, and so please bear with me for this month only guys, and I promise I will keep creating new content for you guys from the next month onwards. But for now, enjoy this video guys, as I have been waiting for this product for a long time and I couldn't wait to share this experience with you guys. So hit the like button if you like this video, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. It helps me a lot, believe me. Let's get to the video right now.
Swag, bitch.
With a label that says, "What's up? I'm here." I found this box lying on my bed after I came back from an exam. So now let's crack this open. Yes guys, yes, this is the Spigen Classic collection for the iPhone X. This is the Classic C1 case from Spigen, which is inspired from the Apple iMac G3, which was released in 1998. So this is a limited edition case and I got this from Indiegogo at a very low price of only 25 bucks. That is rupees 1700 something. I don't actually remember that. So let's keep this box aside and check it out. So it comes in this neat packaging with a picture of the case on the front of it, and as this is a limited edition case, you can find 10th anniversary limited edition written at the bottom of this box. Turn it over, you can find a visual representation of the materials which are used in the production of this case. This is a dual layered case and the base layer is made of TPU and the upper layers are made of plastic. Let me zoom in so you can see. As you can see here, it is written military tested, and the grip of the phone is nice, and also it has Spigen's air cushion technology which disperses the impact of the phone to the entire case when you drop it. Also, you can find the instructions for installing and uninstalling this case on your phone, which is really informative, and you should read that before installing your case on your phone, because it has a unique technique of the installation and uninstallation, so you might want to check that out. Now without further ado, let's unbox this retro classic C1 case from Spigen and check out the actual product. So this box has a ribbon which is sticking out of the tray which contains the actual product. And check this out guys, this case looks amazing, like the color is really cool, and check this out. So let's remove this plastic covering and let's check out the texture of the case and the layerings and the details of this classic case. Now Spigen launched many colors for this case, and this specific one is called Bondi Blue, and it looks amazing guys. It looks just like the classic iMac G3. Now to separate the components or the layers, you just have to push this bottom half and it will come off like this. For the top half you can do the same. You can just push it like that and it will slide off the base layer. Now the base layer is made of TPU and has all the details, like you can find, let me just focus that, you can find all the design of the chips and the circuit boards on the back of it, and you have the battery right here, and it is written limited edition on it, and the texture is quite nice. It is flexible, like really flexible, and has the Spigen's air cushion technology on each of the four corners. And the really cool part, it's written hello again on the inside of this case, and I think that's a neat touch from Spigen, and it brings back many memories from the past. So now let's keep this aside and let's install it on my iPhone 10 right here and just get rid of this fake 21 case from my iPhone. So this is it guys, it just clicks with my iPhone color right here. I love the combination of black and turquoise green, and I also love the fact how it protects the phone as well as giving it a retro look. And with this, I'll end today's video right here. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. I will come up with more content for you guys from the next month, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video guys. Until next time, peace out.